This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia V Woods. You will fall in love with this perfect multi-generation rancher. The main home has 4 large bedrooms, 3 full baths, screen porch, loft which would make a perfect office, updated eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, tile backsplash, new lighting, wood-burning fireplace and large family room, with gas hookup. Go through the sunroom into the in-law suite with huge great room, 2 big bedrooms and a handicap shower. Enjoy your 2,000-gallon koi pond in the park-like setting backyard from your large deck, 2-car garage plus workshop. For more information, review the details below or contact Sylvia V Woods at 757-715-9730.